Hi, Skylar. This peaceful January day. We could hear an eagle up in the trees, but we can't see it. Anyway, I'd like to let the chickens out, but don't want them to get eaten. Here's Rio feeding Sunny over here. All right, let's let them out. Oh, there. Did you hear it? Oh well. Hopefully they won't get eaten. Hi, Sunny. All right, this is funny. We'll let the chickens out. They'll be very happy because it's warm out today. Won't you guys be?
Run off. It's not tied.
Oh, I know. You could run off, but where would he go? Whee! Out they go. Oh, you better watch them. No, he won't chase the dogs. Daddy feeds them every day.
Dad's there.
Oh, there's those chickens. Where are they going to go? Out and around, past Sunny. Oh, Nitro likes to eat chicken poo.
Let's go on now.
Turkeys! All right, let's go. Good dogs. Oh, these guys are happy. Yay!